Hello guys, welcome back to DIY with Electra. So guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you an easy process on how to make this Bottega Veneta handbag. So we'll be using our white bead and then our black one because I want to add a little bit of design. The black one is 8 mm and the white one is 10 mm. You can see the difference. As the main purpose of this video is to show you how to make the Bottega Veneta handbag, not the step-by-step tutorial for beginners, okay? For this video, you must have known how to bead and how to start your beading for you to understand this video because I won't be going into details. If you are a beginner in beading, you can check out my other videos. I have tutorials on how to bead for beginners, okay? I'll be leaving the link on top of this video for you. So as you guys can see, this is the length I want my bag to be. Now I'm changing the direction to start my second layer for this bag. You can choose any length you want for this video, okay? For your own bag, sorry. You can choose any length you want. By the time I'm done with this style, I noticed that it is too small, so I had to add another layer, which you're going to see in this video, okay? So apparently I've made this bag before and I had comments saying, someone was saying in the comment that it was not too clear for them, or maybe I was not a good teacher. So I was trying to explain to the person that this is my first time making that bag and this kind of bag, and now in this video this is my second time. So you can check out the video. I'll be leaving the link as well for you to see. I used a different color, not just different color but different process. The first one I made, it has a different process than this one. So if you think this process is too hard for you, you can still check out the first video I made as a beginner myself, so you might try to grab it. So for me in this video, I prefer this style, okay? This process, it was easy for me, okay? So now as you guys can see, I've added my black color, which I don't really know what I was doing, but yeah, I just needed a design. And in this process, I'm going round, like I have two heads. Like you can see I started in the middle. When I started in the middle, there was no black, so I had to add another thread to the other side so I can be able to add the black. And now in this side, I have to continue my process. And that is how I made this bag. I will be going through two heads, like the other side, the left and the right, okay? One question I always get in my comment section is, how do you add a new thread when the thread you are using is finished? Like, how do you start using a new one? So in this video, I will be showing you how to do that. It's not something hard. So but me, when I started beading for the first time, I had I was having a hard time doing that, like tying this and starting using a new thread as well. So but in this video, I will show you how it's been done, so you don't have to worry, okay? As long as you stay till the video ends, you are going to grab what I did and how to add your new thread, okay? So you guys can see I'm trying to make a shape with that black color, but I think I'm not getting what I need, but at the same time I will just go along with it. I don't really care, as long as the black is in the bag, it's okay for me, okay? So this bag is not for customers. So one of the challenges I encounter whenever I am using a round shape bead, I don't know for others, is that it always come out floppy. Like no matter how tight you want it, like you can see in this video, I'm trying to make it tight, but sometimes it do come out floppy, not sometimes, all the time. So I don't know for others. So now guys, this is the shape we are going for. We are going for the cross shape. Okay, I've made the other side, and I'm going to make this side as well. And don't tell me that the design is not beautiful. I know it's kind of crooked and stuff, but yeah, it's a bag for me. It's not from customer or anybody. Okay, so it's still okay for me. I can still rock it. If you haven't checked out my other videos, guys, you are missing out a lot. I have beautiful designs. I have easy designs for beginners like me who are not professional bag makers but like to DIY. Okay, these are things we do for fun. Okay, so now you guys are seeing I'm going to add a new thread, but before that, let us tie the last one. So I just put the bead and then use the thread and put it under. That's the fourth bead, and then cross it over like you see here. And then the remnants of those beads, you are going to put it inside other beads there. Don't put it straight line, just go curvy, because if you put it in a straight line, it can easily lose. Okay, so as you can see, just follow what I'm doing, just like that, and you're going to just tie your bag. That is how I learned how to do it. So just put it through all the beads there. As you can see, I'm not going straight line, I'm going curvy, up and down, left and right. Once you're done with that, you just cut it off, the remnants, then you add your new thread or fish line, anything you call it. Then you continue from where you start. You see, that is it. And I hope it's easy for you. Okay, so we'll continue our cross shape. So if you noticed in this video, you see that I added more length. So the length is not as the same as it was in the beginning. I later added a length for the bag because I noticed it was too small, so I had to add another length for it to meet the standard or the size I want my bag to be. So far so good. So you guys see the shape I made there. I'm going to repeat the same shape in the other end, and don't worry, I'm going to show you the process on how I did that. Just put your fish line on the second bead, okay, because you want to make that shape. So put your bead in your thread in the second bead, and then you continue just like the way you bead. Just continue like that. Okay, so once you reach the end, as you can see, I zoom it a bit for you to see what I am doing there. Just follow it. You see, I put it on the left side, and then this is how I locked it in. And then that thread is you're going to put that thread in the left bead and then the upper bead for it to come out on top. So I noticed this was off the camera, like it was not showing, but don't worry, I will repeat the same shape at the end. When I reach the other end, I'm going to repeat the same thing I did so you can see it clearly. Okay, so don't worry about that. So once I am done with that part, as you can see the shape, the only thing needed now is to put them together. Okay, don't worry, I did it first and I'm going to show you how I did it. Okay, so you don't have to worry. Looking at this, you can see that the color is not really that bad. Okay, the black is not really that bad, the shape is not really that bad, and I'm loving it. Okay, so right now I'm going to put them together, just as you can see. Girl, right now I am becoming a professional bag maker. Okay, this was a hobby, but it turned out that sometimes after making the bag and after posting it, people will come out and be like, how much are you selling the bag? I want it, this and that. And I was like, oh, it was not meant for sale, but if you want it, I can equally sell it to you. And yeah, it was fun. So now you can see the bag is coming together, and the last thing remaining, or second to the last thing remaining, is to put the handle together. Okay, just follow, just a closer look at what I'm doing and you are going to get the process. It's not hard, it's easy. So if you're a beginner like me, if you're someone that loves making DIYs, especially bags, you're going to love this process. This is quite easier than the one I made before. See, our bag is done, and I have this big shape. I think it's 24 mm or maybe 18. So this is going to be my handle for the bag. Okay, and at this point in this video, I'm smiling all over because I can't believe I made this. Just look at it, the shape just came out. Okay, I can't believe I made this, and I'm really loving it, and I hope you all love it. So remember to like and subscribe, and then share if possible. Just look at the bag. Beauty, very beautiful, and I love it. Thank you for watching, and bye. See you in my next video.